This Snowman Soap is the cutest little DIY Christmas gift. They are fast and easy to make and have that personal touch. You can pair it with some homemade cookies or a gift card to make a cute teacher's gift. You need white hand soap, black and orange vinyl adhesive, and felt. Start by removing the front label. I used some black and orange vinyl to create the face. I applied it to the front using transfer tape. Tie a piece of felt around the top to make it look like the snowman is wearing a scarf. This could also work as a great stocking stuffer. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.